Sales director who lives in A is required to fly to regional offices in cities B, C, D, and E. The weighted graph shows the one-way airfares between any two cities. Use the nearest neighbor method with starting vertex A to find an approximate solution. What is the total cost for this approximate solution? So if I start at A, I'm looking at the airfares. If I go to F, that's $335. A to D, no, A to E is $335. A to D is $493. A to C, $133. A to B, $131. That sounds pretty good. There's my best airfare. A to B. Then I'm at B. I could go B to C, $181. B to D, $169. B to E, $197. Well, I think I'm going to $169. Nearest neighbor, you pick the cheapest one at the time. So I do the business at the regional office at D. From there I could go to E, 203. I cannot go back to A yet. I got to finish the work. D to C, 139. Now from C, I'm forcing my hand. I have to go to E. And then from E, I have to go back home. So the route we're going to take with nearest neighbor, start at A, B, D, C, E, A. Then find the total cost. 131 plus 169 plus 139 plus 435 plus 335. Nearest neighbor does not give necessarily the best one, but it gives a good one. Let's take a quick look at 39. This is a chart. They didn't quite draw all the parts of it. This is like a mileage chart that you might see on a paper map. They want you to draw a circuit, a graph rather, that models this mileage situation. As I look at this, see, home to home, that's 0. They just put a little star there. Home to the bank, 5. Home to bank, that one has 5. This one has 3.5. This has 3.5. That has 2. By process of elimination, it's the first one. Problem 40. Again, the errands to run around town, and you have this chart. I would say draw this out, just like problem 39 has, problem 40. Home, bank, post office, market. And then after you have your graph, you do the nearest neighbor. I'll go ahead and finish this one up. Home, bank, post office, market. And then I got to put these lines in the middle. Home to the bank is 2.8. Home to the post office is 6.3. Home to the market is 4.1. Bank to the market is 5. Market to the post office is 4.8. And then post office to the bank is 4. So from there, we'll do nearest neighbor, start at home. Home, I'm going to go to the bank. From the bank, I'll go to the post office to the market, market back home. So pick the right one. Home, bank, post office, market, home. That's Okay, you can finish that one up and find the cost of that route. Thank you very much for staying.